Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Logitech G535 wireless gaming headset, and this was about $130 at Best Buy, so they are kind of middle of the road for what Logitech offers in their lineup. There's some that are about $100 and some that go up to I think about $170, but these are Dolby Digital, not Dolby, Dolby Surround, or Dolby Atmos rather. They don't have any RGB or anything like that, so they're not too fancy, but also I didn't really care for RGB. I never use it. I can't see the headset when it's on my head anyway, so it's just not something I needed. RGB is kind of, overrated these days. I have it like in my computer, but that's about, all I need. Alright, so here it is. Here are the specs right here if you guys want to just pause and read those. And it does list some other stuff on the back here about them. Right here is your adapter. So like I said, this is Lightspeed wireless, which I've had on a keyboard before, and it works very well. Just plug in your little dongle right there. I don't know if an existing one from a keyboard will work. I don't know if it's one of those like the unifying receiver for their mice where you can use it to pair multiple things or not. And then in here we also have your USB-A to USB-C cable, which is very nice. I'm glad it's USB-C. Just makes it a lot easier. It's all in that box. And then right here, take that off, we have the headset. This is a reversible band, so if you want one color on the top rather than the other, you can change that. So it's just kind of like a blue. It is also adjustable. You can adjust those notches right there for your fit. It does have the fold up mic, and it does mute the mic when you fold it up, so that is very nice. They're very lightweight. They are plastic. Not like a cheap plastic, but they're a nice, not going to be heavy on your head for extended usage kind of, scenarios. Let me just put them on real quick so I can tell you guys how they feel. Yeah, they seem to be pretty comfortable. They do have the memory foam ear cups. They don't like squeeze your head to the point where it's going to be uncomfortable after a long period of time. They go on and they're nice and light. We do have some plastic on here, some plastic on here, just to protect that. I believe that is all of it. So yep, nothing fancy, no lights or anything like that. You just have your power indicator right here for when you turn it on. You do have your volume controls right here. It is one that just keeps scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, so it does control your Windows volume or your computer volume rather than actually changing the headset volume itself. And that is it. Like I said, if you want to mute the mic, you just swing it up, and there is a audible tone when you do that lets you know that your mic is muted or unmuted. You just one tap on the power button, turns them on, turns them off. Very nice. So very simple usage. I'm going to go try these out now, and I will maybe we'll do a review and let you guys know how they sound. But that's what you get in the box. Down here you just have a sticker and your manual as well. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Have a great night.